Uh, some of you, my friend and citizens of the country, this is where India begins for some politicians and some policy of the government of India. This is where the border of India begins, India with Kukis, and this side is Meiteis and Manipur state. This is like a border. In har jagah pe aise buffer zone bana ke rakha hua hai, as if this is between Pakistan and India. इस देश में काफी घटना हुआ, राइट्स हुआ, मुस्लिम्स और हिंदुओं के बीच में भी मारपीट बहुत हुआ है इस देश में, लेकिन इस तरह का बफर जोन किसी जगह पे नहीं बनाया. And I'm so ashamed of myself to sit in that house as a member of parliament, that even I cannot go to this side, because this is India-Kuki border. This is Manipur, where Manipur police works, where MP like me from Manipur can walk freely. Here I cannot walk freely, despite the huge presence of security forces. And the rest of the country can't sleep like this. The more people feel alienated and they take a decision, don't call people of Manipur as anti-India. You're working against the constitution itself. I'm a member of parliament. I cannot move freely this side. These are all our troops. I am also protected by CRPF. मेरा सुरक्षा CRPF से है मेरा, क्योंकि मैं MP हूँ इस देश का. फिर भी मैं नहीं जा सकता अपने देश में, मेरा खुद के स्टेट में I can't go. And this should be remembered. And I'm just talking to you because, you know, some people sitting in Delhi will not understand this feeling. And the issue of Manipur as if it doesn't exist, let's not do this drama. Finish this buffer zone. Whoever responsible, Mr. Amit Shah, you must understand this. Whether Modiji should also understand this. You are dividing this place, my own home state, by putting this illegal buffer zone. And I'm sending this message to the rest of the country. I'm right here. You ask, talk to that officer. I say, मैं जा सकता हूँ? नहीं ना, नहीं जा सकता है ना, है ना? ये बंदोबस्त करके रखा हुआ है सब. देखो, इस देश के MP को रुकाने के लिए इधर रखा हुआ है सब, और ये तिरंगा चला रहा है. यही हालत है मणिपुर का. ये 2.5 साल से चल रही है. ये बेचारा, these people are forced to do this illegal activities. These are professional soldiers and policemen. They have been forced to behave like this by vested interest political parties. This is not done. When we try to put it up in parliament, you know, buffer zone, these are terms which is used in international conflict, not within the state. We have seen enough in this case, riots. We are born with riots. This country is embroiled in riots since 100 years. I think it's time for everybody to think about this. It's the first time I wanted to tell you that all these troops, these are all legal armed forces of the country. They've been forced to do jobs which is against the constitution by putting up something called buffer zone. That I am stopped because I belong to a Meitei community. Some people are stopped because they belong to Kuki community. Is this what Samvidhan tells us? The रास्ते में ये इस कास्ट का है, इस धर्म का है, ये रास्ते में नहीं चल सकते. इस देश में कभी हुआ है कभी? Better we finish this drama. Better it is for everybody else. And this is wholly responsible is Mr. Amit Shah and Modi. It is right under both of you that Manipur has reached to this state. And you are forcing our security forces to work against the constitution itself by putting up this so-called buffer boundary and putting a flag like this, as if this is Kuki and India border and this is Manipur and Manipur state. We will see who wins in the end of the day. We will see. Those who try to divide the state and do such kind of illegal activities win the race, win the battle, or we win the battle who trust in the constitution, who trust in lawfulness, who love their mother state. We will win despite all your tricks and all your politics. Wait and watch. History will tell us.